Hi friends! Today we are going to draw this very beautiful cat with just one pencil, a 4B pencil. It's a very useful pencil. If you don't have one, use whatever you have in your house, but draw, please, draw, and feel the joy of creating things. As you see, first of all, we draw very basic shapes, like an oval for the head, and place everything. As always, don't press too hard your pencil on your paper, because many of these lines will be erased later. So if you don't press too hard, you can erase without any problem. Be very careful in this step. We are now not drawing any detail at all, but drawing eyes in their place and in their shape is the first part to achieve, to gain success in your drawing. Cats are a little mysterious animal, but always very beautiful and lovely. Okay? As you see, I don't make very soft shadows. I suggest things with some traces, some lines. This animal is full covered with fur. We cannot draw it with a continuous line, but with short lines we suggest hair. Okay. If you wonder, this paper is 130 grams Canson paper, but you can use whatever paper you have, because as I said before, most important thing is you drawing. You put yourself to draw. Be happy with that, okay? Okay, ears. And as you can see, this drawing is very visual. We don't have to be experts in drawing. If you need more time to draw some part, please press pause in the YouTube player, or you may choose to play it slower, okay? So, I leave you at your own pace, but before, I'll ask you, if you like these videos, press like and subscribe to this channel to see more and more videos of easy, realistic, artistic drawing. See you soon, and be very happy. Bye.